Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Halloween, are we in focus? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Halloween Happy, where Halloween is more than just once a year. It's really gloomy today. It's really gloomy in my Halloween office, so we're just gonna make do. First, if you are new to my channel or this is the first time that you've heard of Halloween Happy or seen my face, hi, my name is Sam. I'm a Halloween lifestyle vlogger. I do Halloween all year round. I am a Salem local, originally from Kansas. I just find different ways to bring Halloween into my everyday life, and I like to share that with the people who join me every week for a new video. If you want to see what else I'm up to or find anything out, all my social media is linked down below. I'm also on Instagram. It's at Halloween Happy, always posting stories over there. Sometimes that's a little bit easier than like whipping my camera out and making videos about just all the amazing things, all the spooky things that I want to film. In this video, guys, I wanted to do a little thing real quick. The vlog you're about to see, I titled it A Saturday in Salem because all of this did take place on Saturday. If you followed me on Instagram at Halloween Happy, you would have seen that I was out hanging out with the Salem buskers downtown. Everyone got together to raise donations for the Boston Children's Hospital, which is an amazing thing. So it was great to see everyone again and meet new faces. I'm actually in a group chat with them, so it was just like meeting my online pals that I've talked to here and there, so it was great hanging out. It was really cold, really cold. I'm gonna show you just a little bit of footage of that. I took more pictures and more stuff for my Instagram because my hands were freezing, and guys, it was so cold. I wore so many layers of clothes. We were out there for a long time, but it was a lot of fun. So that's what you're going to see. And then also the second part of this vlog, there's a festival here in Salem. It's called Salem So Sweet Festival. It's like a chocolate, wine, ice sculpture festival. Pretty much it's ran by Salem Main Street, Salem Destination, the Salem Chamber of Commerce, and then all of the other shops that want to get involved. We went last year where we looked at the ice sculptures. The tickets always sell out to do like the chocolate and wine tasting, so we have not experienced that yet. Next year we'll try to like jump on that just so we can experience it, but it's such a good time, even just looking at the ice sculptures. Each person or shop that wants to participate, they have an ice sculpture hanging out in front, and it's always sponsored by someone here in Salem or the shop. We just walked around downtown a little bit to look at the ice sculptures. We tried to stay out as long as possible. I was still freezing from earlier on in the day. It was a good day. It was busy. I really enjoyed myself. I had such a great weekend, which is why there was not a video on Monday. Now you have the video today. I will try to include everyone's links down below that I can. I'm not going to do an outro to this video. I'm just going to let the video play for you guys. So this is the outro. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope this video finds you having a Halloween happy kind of day. And I will see you in my next video. But watch this video, okay? So if you are interested in seeing my Saturday in Salem from last weekend, keep on watching. Hi guys, if any of you are around Salem today, we are hanging out with the Salem buskers because they're all doing Hug a Monster, and you donate to charity. All the proceeds go to charity. It's going to Boston Children's Hospital. So if you are around the area, be sure to check them out. We're all hanging out, trying to keep warm. We have the Addams family coming up, so come hang out with us and hug a monster.
remember, all magic comes with a price.